welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I had to get the fall garden started, so all the beds were cleared out, with the exception of the okra, sweet potatoes, peppers, eggplants, and herbs. The tomatoes and squash were planted in containers, so I didn't have to do anything with those vegetables. Everything removed from the raised beds were either preserved, frozen, or dehydrated, or they were composted or given to the chickens. The raised beds were cleared out by the end of July, and I had started planting the fall garden the first and second week of August. The only thing remaining to be planted is the lettuce and garlic. The lettuce, I have been sidetracked by other chores, so I have not gotten a chance to plant that. That should be in the ground by now. But the garlic will not be planted until the end of October, early November. So this is a look at the summer crops that will remain in the garden until the danger of the first frost, at which point they will be harvested and the stems composted. The vegetables will either be preserved or eaten. I was pleased with this year's garden. However, it was definitely not my best. My time is divided more than it was prior to 2020. Nothing really having to do with the pandemic. And although in the past I did a little gardening here and there throughout the week, most of my gardening was done between Friday and Sunday. It was relaxing and therapeutic. I no longer have the same routines I've had when I first moved to this location and started this homestead. Having a routine does help one to be more productive, although being able to adapt makes you that more versatile. I have to find that balance between work, chores, and relaxation, as well as the distractions. Now, this video covers a span of 2 weeks, from the time the beds were cleared to the seeds planted and then germination. So here you can see growth and the start of the fall garden. It never gets old seeing your garden come to life, and in the end, enjoying the fruits of your labor. You want to be careful if you're picking weeds next to little seedlings, as not to disturb the root. In the morning before work, I will go through the garden and pick little weeds like this. Being out in the fresh air and performing such an effortless chore is not only healthy to you, but also to the garden. And it goes such a long way come the end of the week when there are little to no weeds in the garden. Well, I hope you enjoyed this garden update. Please share this channel and video if you think it could be beneficial to others who are new to gardening and may be afraid to take that first step, or those who currently garden and need that extra motivation.